Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. Today I have our little chickens there, a little clip of those, but I tried the Misfits Market for the first time. It finally delivered to our area, so you just have to check your zip code there. And I'm going to go ahead and show you all the things that I got in the box. I had started recording and forgot to hit the record button, so that didn't work. So it comes in this box that is very well packed and kept the food nice and fresh. It came with some free recipes, came with a list of things that were things that they sell. Of course, it's first come first serve. You can do it every week, every 2 weeks. So I opted for the 2 week trial. So here we've got some cremini mushrooms, and those looked pretty good. Next up, we have some lettuce, red leaf lettuce. It was a little wimpy, but it's kind of on, again, this is the Misfits, so you just kind of have to be prepared to use it right away. We've got some green peppers here. That was broken there, but no biggie. Cut it up and used it. It was fine. And you just have to know that you need to use it soon. So I had a second pepper there that they had thrown in. What else? We have a pear here. This was a Concord pear, and this was pretty tasty. So I had to let it ripen. Of course, this is all organic. Next up is our butternut squash, and that's always good to have on hand and keeps well on the counter. And that was in great shape. Then we have some apples here. These are, I'm trying to look at my list here, Orin apples. That's Orin. And they were really, really tasty, and they're big. So it had a soft spot or two, but you can just cut around that. So these are things people wouldn't buy in the store. So they throw them in this box and use them, and you get a discounted price, supposedly. So that's a mango, and that was also good. Organic mangoes are usually very expensive. We have another one of those apples that we got there. So again, that has little just soft spot, but it was fine. Cucumber, so that had soft spots on the ends, and so that was just easy to cut up and use. I got some radishes, and those were in perfect shape. The greenery on the radishes were not. They were all whatever, so you can just cut that off and compost it or whatever. But the radishes themselves were in perfect condition. Of course, they need a good wash. But and I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything since I had to put everything. Oh, there we go. So that next layer down, let's see, I'm going to grab the celery, which is great to get organic celery. So again, broken pieces, but no big deal. It's just nobody would buy that in the store, so it was perfectly fine. I got some potatoes. Good to have organic potatoes since they grow in the ground. And I've got some oranges. Those are Valencia oranges, and kind of medium size-ish, and juicy and good, just a little spotty. And an acorn squash we got, and that again keeps well on your counter for a while. So some of these things you have to use right away, some of them you don't. But overall, I thought it was a good deal. I'll put the prices here and a screenshot on the end, and it was delish.